and welcome to the percentage series. It's so good to have you here. What is a percentage? When we say percentage or percentages, what do we mean? Percent. Per. These are the root words, and this means per means out of, and cent means 100. So when we talk about percent or percentages, we are talking about out of 100. That's what that means. And so we can say that a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Okay, and that's why it's easy for us to use percentages to compare. For instance, in examinations or performance, so someone can have, you have 50% and this person has 20%. We can easily compare this. Who has more? 50%. Why? Because this means 50 over 100 and this means 20 over 100. Okay, so 50 over 100, 20 over 100, which is more? This is greater. So percentages helps us to easily compare values, right? And this is why we say a fraction, a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Isn't this a fraction? It's a fraction. This is also a fraction and the denominator is 100. Why so? How did the denominator of 100 come about? We can say that this sign, percent, is 1 over 100. That's what it represents actually. So when you have something like 3%, this means 3 multiplied by 1 over 100. And that's why we say, we just put, when you see percentages, you just put 100 beneath it. This is how we come about that. Okay, so this is 3 times 1, which is 3. 1 times 100, 3 over 100. So when you see numbers with in percentages, right, you can just always put a denominator of 100. 20% is 20 over 100. 15% is 15 over 100. 133% is 133 over 100. And with 1024% is 1124 over 100. Okay, so these percentages tells us they have a denominator of 100. Today we have learned that percent means out of 100 and a percentage is a fraction with a denominator of 100.